people. Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. Yes, the one and only Kissy Unstoppable. Yes. So guys, what's up? Wagwan, wagwan. We don't know. Yes, as you know, the summer soon done, but we still a full joy. But guys, me carry one video come show no with Solaine. I don't know if you see it already. Hot girl Solaine is back. Solaine says she's back. None of them did bury him, but she's still alive and she's back and she a hot girl and she look good. But me not tell a lie, Solaine look good. She look good. Her makeup up there and she look good. But Solaine come out for Derrick strong. Solaine said, Derrick, me not afraid of you anytime you're ready. Me ready for you. So Solaine, I taught the things them and I dash them out on Derrick. So guys, me make you go over go listen what Auntie Solaine have to say. But before I leave, remember to like, share, subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, put on a post notification so you know each time go to upload a video. So let's go over and hear what Auntie Solaine have to say right now.
Live, guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Where are you guys? Good night. Hi guys, this is Solaine. Can't see you guys. Okay, send some love. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Solaine going live. Thank you guys for everything. This is my new look. Thank you. Hi guys, thank you, my friend from England. Thank you. I know you're not sleeping. I know you're gonna watch this live. Thank you guys. Good night to you. This is my new look. Do you like it? I know you like it, guys. How are you doing, guys? Yes, up top. Yeah, Father God, what made them fight me so hard? I look at him, say me no coward. I look at him with chest in a God. They want me living on the mug like dog. Now let the hubby walk at them get no reward. Yes, guys, I'm here. I'm back. Thank you for loving my new look. Thank you, guys. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. Which song you want to hear? You say you are singing, I must sing. Love you guys. You know you're not asleep, you know. You know you're not asleep for me because you know the Solaine must come live. You understand? Some people just look at you and just hate you, so. You ever see that yet? Some people just see and just hate you and say they can't stand me. And God none of them can't stand. I know me them can't stand. And God none of them can't stand. And them can't stop me. Same as how them could stop Jesus. Them can't stop me, no matter what them do. No matter what them try. You understand? Love all the way. This thing, you see from love in your heart, them can't stop you. And I good over evil. You understand? No matter what them a plan up and no matter what them a say. Which one a lady saw song? Which one? Where go? Now they must be singing up Mama. Big up Mama. The one they come like from a top range fans them there. You understand? And them are England. Yeah? From top range. Share the live guys. Share the live. Solaine is on. Share the live guys. Share the live. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Oh, they must tell me if you sing Lady Star song.
Sorry, I disappoint you. Something another.
Love you guys. Love you. You know know say no fun not gonna like me on the live. Me know. Me know say the haters them have to run. Run come. You understand? Them have to go run out on that one yeah. You understand? As I leave the life with them dip on and come follow Solaine. Me know that. You understand? Where the haters them there? But when I saw the comments, when they get heart attack, I know so when they like get heart attack. And all who don't like me case and choke off the man. Anyone who they just choke off. Find the ice bridge and choke off. You have to choke off. You understand? Because we don't know that shit way. You never know si Solaine like never will come back. No. You don't write her off. No. That's why you not write all of the dirty comments. That's true. Eat to the heart out now. You understand? I some big long time old man. You understand? I call up my name say me beg. Me beg and get beauty. Where you beg and get? I'm a beg and get a house and money and everything. Where you beg and get? You understand? You keep kill steal and you're my man with the money. Me no mind man. You're a man and you're mind man. You understand? Me know some people going in the business, the homosexual business, like to get money, house and care, but where you get? Look how you old and tough and don't get nothing. A sex shop you have fair living in, and people have fair donate to you and send money for your stay there, so if you get a resting place at night time. I have fast with me, we have a house. Can run, go upstairs, run in my own bathroom, run up and down in my own bed. Roll and turn anytime I want. I have fast with me. You know, see me bless. That's why you fight me. You haters. And you fast with me. And you are run up to me. So run over yes and now and argue with Solaine, you know. You understand? Make your followers tell you say Solaine and the life. I call up your name. Derrick name. So Derrick run over here, sir. Run out now and argue with me because a long time me I keep silent and watch you. You understand? And who that exalt themselves shall be abased. You know, say that you turn abased. You understand? Because you are broke and boast and a class people and you don't have nothing. You can't live like the people them where you are class. You understand? And that burn you. And that's why you hate me. You understand? That's why you hate me. No doctor have filed for your bottom. No doctor not have filed for my one. That's why you have a problem with me. You understand? You understand? For a big long time drying out old man. Understand? Why young boy and young boy no want you. Them the man the way I run the way I mind. One nice clean man. Not an old croft. Well look like bullfrog. You understand? So leave me alone. Allow me make me live my life. You understand? You a beg, me a beg. Why you have a problem with me? A bad mind a kill you. A that a kill you. And that's why you lose your phone and that's why you get your head bust up. And you get nothing and still have your mind the man. All when you know say him no want you. All when you know you pretend. You are living in the past. You understand? You are living in the past. The man never touched you yet and you say you're a man. You understand? Where you getting out of where you are sell? You understand? Me see when me get out of begin, but where you get long time, old man? You understand? Where you get? You understand? You keep yourself you mind the man, and the man diss you big time. Don't want you because you are rubbish. Nobody want rubbish. Everybody throw them rubbish. You understand? Nobody no color keen rubbish. So you think the man did not color keen you? No, you're garbage. I smell. That's why the man don't want you. So please leave me alone because my man no clean. You understand? You think me nice? Draw me out and you will see who me is. You understand? You back up the wrong tree. You carry the belly. If you look about once you carry the belly, have the baby now. Full time you have the baby. You understand? And make we see if it's a boy or a girl. You understand? Leave me alone. Because I not trouble you. I not see her. I see her beg, I not see her. You ever see me go up on my live and talk about you yet? I saw me important, that's why you are talking about me. That means I'm blessed. You can see some blessed. You see? You're touching that blessed girl. When you touch me, you touch God. You understand? Because I know what the Bible says. I may not do what you do. You understand? Me rather beg for me honest bread. God said, ask and it shall be given, knock and it shall be open. And at that me I do. And you have a problem. Long time old man, dry nut monkey. You have a problem. You saw your favor the bullfrog. Them say if bullfrog spit by you, you get crusty. And must that bullfrog go to you. Your mother wicked. You understand? Because me wanna bring something like you. You understand? If you turn out the way you turn out, your mother wicked. Anybody you because your mother, your father will bring you here. You understand? Anybody you hate, and them you must hate. Don't hate me. You understand? Because me never bring you come here. Me never bring nothing like that come here. You understand? So just leave me alone, Derrick. Make me prosper. You understand? You curse Miss Blinger help you, you curse him. You bite the hands and feet. That's why you go down. And you must go down. You understand? Because the same somebody will beg for you going to get arrested at the sex shop. You this her. So how you going to survive? Not for long. You understand? You understand? You carry the bucket to the well, one day the bottom must drop out. Your bucket bottom drop out right now. You understand? So just leave me alone, make me prosper. You understand? Leave me alone, Derrick. Come off of my case, because I'm not see you. Because I'm not see trash. You understand? You understand? So leave me alone, make me prosper. Share the live, guys. Share the live. So ladies and her live. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Thanks, guys. Thanks, my fans. Thanks for everything. Thank you, guys. I don't really like the look. Tell me now. Come and tell me now. Say if you don't like the look. You guys, tell me, man, if you like the new look. Remember, I told you Solaine is back. Radam.